What's up, guys? $5 cash app to the first person who comment what this is. Comment your cash app too, if you right. Anyway, show y'all something. I got this 415 box done. Don't really like it, so I ain't gonna talk about it. Customer about to pick up in a sec. I just need to cut this hole. But today, I'm hoping that I could cut this old joint out and then at least prep the G6 roof frame to drop in. I already need a new windshield, so I ain't too worried about sparks falling on it. And I don't think I had any like bubbling, but now I know how to take this trim off, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. I got the rain slash drip rails on the other side. They just ain't on. And I got some bundle on it. But this roof pretty solid, man. No holes in it. I remember taking this boy down. I was like, dang, but it do got a lot of dents in it. Y'all see like right there. Stuff was dropping on it. It was in a hailstorm in Colorado. So I got that space back here. I'm gonna open the trunk, man. I literally don't know what's inside here besides upper and lower control arms and spindles, box of spare parts, and like digital dash. So I'm about to go ahead and open it up and see what we got. All right, got the hood and the hinges off. Next, these windows and doors are not power, so go ahead and roll these down because I got water on the floor and I want it to air out. Actually, don't smell bad. Hey, I was just about to buy an HEI distributor. Matter of fact, I don't think it's HEI. Yeah, this is not HEI. Just needs a coil. Never mind. So I got some back borders for it. I had a little rust in this one, like baby rust. I can actually patch that with the welder. I found that out after doing the Malibu. But this side, I'm gonna have to cut out and replace. But it ain't gonna be a hard job. I should be able to get that done in one day. Next, I might just go ahead and empty the back seats. Somebody asked me for them fan straps, man. I totally forgot. I keep forgetting. But how about we just see what's in the trunk right now? Let me go get a screwdriver. I don't have a flathead. I actually took this apart when I was priming it. Hopefully it open. Nothing? I promise I didn't know nothing was in here. Promise to God. Promise. I know y'all don't believe me, but I'm so serious. I just knew something was back here. Let me show y'all what I did as a dummy. When I first bought this car, it was snowing and water was getting in from here. And like the filler rotted. And let me show y'all what I did. I was not doing body work or anything at the time. I didn't really care. And I did some stupid stuff. drill holes so water can get out. They baby holes though. I'll be able to weld them up real quick. And I put this carpet in there. I got that carpet from Walmart. I just put it in there because I wanted to, oh my God, you see the floor. Didn't know that. I don't think it was that bad at first, but at least it's not all that big. But anyway, I got some damage here, something happened here. So it's no body work right here. This is just sand and prime. Let's see about this side. Oh, this side ain't that bad. It's not that bad. I took the bumpers off. I took the feelers off. Like I was trying to go in, but I really didn't know what I was doing. Oh, the light is on, so this battery might be good. Oh man, let's put this battery on charge. I painted these hood hinges. I mean, trunk hinges. I don't know why, but I didn't think nothing would be in the trunk. But that's good. That's good. That's good. That's real good. The shock's working on the trunk latch. All right, so now we can just empty this out, get the trunk cleaned out, and put this stuff in the trunk. So we got fresh carpet, maroon, but I'm going with. I'm trying to think, man. I want to go with black or I want to go with black. I'm just gonna go with black. So dye the doors black, dye everything black. Black is the quickest, cheapest, look good for the price. So I'm just gonna go black. So I might do same a color match with the car for the top dash. But yeah, everything else, man, black. Forget it. Need some weather stripping. Y'all can see thing ate up. But anyway, talking too much. Let's go ahead and get this stuff out. And yeah, I got the seats, the back seats. They are Bonneville seats. Front seat is a Bonneville seat, 2 buckets. But it got the half for the driver. So yeah, y'all know we ain't keeping that. But anyway, let's go ahead and get working. So this was brand new carpet, man. I had dropped in there at the time. So I'm hoping that it got wet. It's probably some mold or something on it. It got a funky smell. I probably don't use it then. Let me see. Oh no, it ain't bad though. Yeah, but it do got some mold on it. Yeah, I probably have to pressure wash it a couple times. But it's gonna make it hard, man. I hate doing that. Well, I mean, I don't like doing that. Yeah, I'm definitely I'll just clean it. It's still in good condition, but yeah, I ain't with all that. So, yeah, continue on emptying this boy out. All right, man, it's time. I actually ran over. So I'm just having to record this real quick so I can hurry up and go home before I get cussed out. So, 2 days from now, Saturday, possibly Saturday, I should be jumping in this and getting the water out. But Saturday, me and J-Rock lifting the Tahoe, so he'll be back. So I can't really touch it no more. But I got the roof out, got it, most of the stuff in the inside out. Just for fun and games, though, I almost fell in the water. I'm about to connect this digital dash real quick. I made this like so it can be real quick and easy. So it's a 2-prong, a quick disconnect. So like literally, I'm finna tell y'all when I get one in and when I get the other. So just listen. One in. Other end. Alright, let me see something real quick. See if it still come on and stuff. Yep. Like I made this a long time ago. The reason why I ain't using it, man, the fuel stopped working. It went straight to 99. Yeah, it's doing it again. Even if I disconnect it, so that's why I stopped using it. And I'm looking at my old tweeter setup, man. Like them Power Acoustic MB1s. A lot of people don't know too much about them, man. Them boys scream. They scream. But yeah, this is what I was going with at first. Coming out, Dakota going in. But I got some work to do here. I got matte black paint, so probably just take the drill and do a once over real quick. But that'll be after I get the frame in and the body work done up there. That way I can cover that up, let the windows up, and then don't have to worry too much about the inside. But when I actually do paint this, hopefully it's gonna be a J-Rock, so I can just open the doors and paint the jams at the same time, cause I ain't trying to take all day with this, man. Trying to be rolling. He trying to be rolling too, but yeah. So that's it for this, man. So let's see if Cat was able to get that door, because this is a huge dent. It's gonna be too much, too long, not worth the money or time to fix. But he do got a hood. If anybody got hood hinges, let me know. Need some hood hinges. I need a whole bunch of little stuff, but hood hinges, and now I need some visors because these not in the greatest condition. So any color, because they're getting sprayed black. And yeah, it's going back AC, putting the bracket down now. It should fit. I'll be uploading that. I'm only showing y'all that because somebody showed me out the corner, so they hard. So I'm show y'all how to do that. How to make the hoses though. I'm gonna make my hose on my own. So I probably sell hoses, AC hoses, to use with the factory style bracket and the factory style everything. Literally, all you have to do is connect it to the condenser right here, and then your other hose will go to the, wait, you have one coming from the condenser to here, and then the other one going from here to there. But wait, hold on. Yeah. All right, so yeah, one going from here to your condenser, and then from here to your AC compressor, and then the other one over there go to your compressor. So that's how they go. I'm over here confused. I still got that hose that go back there. But yeah, enough of that talking, man. I need to get this edited, get up out of here. But yeah, I'm out, man.